We're starting with the 5/8" HT. Doing a little bit longer haircut. It's going to be a 3 on the side. We'll use our 3.5 blade.
I have a clear process for every haircut that doesn't use clippers to cut the top. And every time I do a haircut, I use this process. Every time I use a blade, I start with the center swipe from the nape to where the parietal ridge blends into the top. The Heel Sculpt Method keeps the blade's teeth off the scalp and rides the heel of the blade out from where the head rounds. So I'm carving that V shape when you see the haircut from the front.
3.5.
Sometimes the blade may not even touch the head. I may just freehand the V shape where the parietal ridge meets the top. Let the detachable blades blend, no hard lines to blend out later. What I'm doing here is skip blade cutting. I go from the equivalent of a 5 to a 3. I ride the heel and tilt the teeth to blend into what I cut with the first blade. You can fine tune the parietal to top blend with any blade you're using.
We'll take the 2 down super low.
Next, a 2 blade to trim the bottom edge. You're prepping for a freehand neck taper, trimming the lower sideburns behind and around the ears.
Just using the corner of the blade.
And clean up the eyebrows. 2 blade is perfect for that.
Edge early.
I always edge early. It keeps you from overcutting and saves time. You do it before the neck and the top work. I learned this trick from Ivan Zoot when I was still in barber school.
Neck taper.
The neck taper is key, and never block a neckline. Use the adjustable blade from open to mid to close for a freehand taper. Don't waste time dusting. Here I'm almost done and touching the duster for the first time. For the top, have a solid process and use it every time. When you lift a section, 2 things matter: your guide and 2 to 3 snips max. Leave the crown a touch longer so it won't stick up. And square the edges of the top so you achieve that hard corner.
Yeah.
Cut with confidence, and you won't need to give the client a mirror or show them the back. Every haircut ends with a straight razor neck shave. Quick work on the top of the ears, back, sides, and the nape. Use a hot steam towel to clean the lather away. Clients love it. Neck and shoulder massage with the Oster M4 Stim-U-Lax Jr for a premium finish. Quick cleanup with compressed air is a pro tip. Shop quality, not show quality. That's how you build real barber income.